The continuous heavy rainstorm on Sunday afternoon caused flooding in many areas in Simpang Pulai, Ipoh, including several locations that had never experienced flooding before. In a Facebook post, Simpang Pulai Assemblyman Wong Chai Yi stated that the flooded areas included Ampang Baru, Bandar Seri Botani, Jalan Sultan Nazrin Shah, Kampung Sengat, Chandan Desa, and others. Wong mentioned that they have contacted the relevant authorities to initiate cleanup efforts.
Simpang Pulai.
The road from Simpang Pulai to Cameron Highlands was also affected by flooding. By 3 p.m., the rain had gradually subsided, and water levels in some areas began to recede.